Hey guys, this is going to be the repair attempt for Mr. Lam. Here's the wind crease shingle we got. This is the north facing slope. So it's kind of harder to see with the algae, but you can see a crease there. You can see the ones above it, below it, beside it have no damage. And I'm going to show you what happens when we start ripping this shingle out. It's going to create more damage. This roof's not repairable, so I'm going to prove that today on camera. I'm going to go ahead and unseal the ones above it to find the nails where I need to get them out at, and I'm going to start now. So I've got 1, 2, 3. So one tab here. I'm gonna start taking these nails out now, guys. Get this shingle out. There's 3. There we go. Okay. There we go. Get some of that dirt off. Let me get this nail out. Okay. Guys, you can already zoom in here. You can already see, I mean, already starting before I've even got this shingle in. You can already see some creasing going on, guys, right here. But we're gonna continue the repair, and then I'll mark it so you can see what we've been running into. GAF Sovereign going back. Color doesn't match good. It's all we had. Same measurements. Still fits the same. Okay. It'll be 4 nails in the nail strip, 90 degrees with the decking. That's code here in Georgia. Oh, manufacturing specs. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Okay, if you zoom in, see what we've been running into, guys. Again, this is the north slope. Right here, big old line, big creasing, major creasing here, a little bit there. So this whole slope is unrepairable.